a city of wonders, where tradition meets futuristic ambition. Dubai is a city of superlatives, known for its futuristic architecture, luxury shopping, and vibrant nightlife. Here are some of the best tourist places in Dubai. 1. Burj Khalifa. Why visit? The tallest building in the world, offering breathtaking views of the city from its observation decks on the 124th, 125th, and 148th floors. Highlights: at the top Sky Lounge, stunning cityscapes, especially at sunset. 2. The Dubai Mall. Why visit? One of the world's largest shopping malls, home to over 1,200 shops, an indoor aquarium, and an ice rink. Highlights: Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, Bia Park, and the Dubai Fountain Show. 3. Palm Jumeirah. Why visit? An artificial archipelago shaped like a palm tree, known for its luxury hotels, including the iconic Atlantis, the Palm. Highlights: Aquaventure Water Park, the Lost Chambers Aquarium, beach clubs, and fine dining. 4. Dubai Marina. Why visit? A modern district with a scenic waterfront, packed with upscale dining, entertainment, and shopping options. Highlights: Marina Walk, yacht cruises, and skydive Dubai for a thrilling experience. 5. Burj Arab. Why visit? The world's only 7-star hotel, recognized for its sail-shaped silhouette and luxurious experiences. Highlights: afternoon tea at the Skyview Bar, private beach, and exclusive dining. 6. The Dubai Fountain. Why visit? Located outside the Dubai Mall, it's the world's largest choreographed fountain system. Highlights: nightly water shows set to music and lights, with the Burj Khalifa as a backdrop. 7. Dubai Creek. Why visit? The historical heart of Dubai, where you can explore the city's traditional trading routes. Highlights: Abra water taxi rides, the Gold and Spice Souk, and the Dubai Museum in Al Fahidi Fort. 8. Jumeirah Beach. Why visit? A popular public beach with soft white sands and clear waters, offering stunning views of the Burj Al Arab. Highlights: water sports, beachside cafes, and family-friendly parks. 9. Arabian Desert Conservation Reserve. Why visit? Experience the vast Arabian Desert with a range of activities like dune bashing, camel rides, and day. 10. Dubai Frame. Why visit? A massive picture frame that offers panoramic views of old and new Dubai. Highlights: walk on the glass floor at 150 meters high, exhibit showcasing Dubai's transformation. 11. Mall of the Emirates. Why visit? Another colossal shopping mall, famous for its indoor ski resort. Highlights: Ski Dubai, Magic Planet Entertainment Center, and luxury shopping. 12. Global Village. Why visit? A multicultural festival park offering pavilions from over 90 countries, showcasing food, crafts, and performances. Highlights: cultural shows, shopping for unique souvenirs, and international cuisine. 13. Dubai Opera. Why visit? A cultural hub in downtown Dubai, offering a range of performances from opera to ballet and theatre. Highlights: the stunning dome-shaped architecture, world-class performances, and fine dining options. 14. Dubai Miracle Garden. Why visit? The world's largest flower garden, featuring over 150 million flowers arranged in stunning designs. Highlights: the Airbus A380 floral display, heart-shaped pathways, and butterfly garden. 15. Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. Why visit? Explore the historic side of Dubai with its preserved traditional buildings and winding lanes. Highlights: Dubai Museum, art galleries, and cultural cafes. Dubai offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, making it a fascinating destination for all kinds of travelers.